How you doing? David Qukslvr here, and today I'm going to be working on a 2014 Equinox muffler. Uh, the muffler system is, I believe, $325 or more, and that's not including the labor. So we're going to try and do a quick patch on the resonator that is rusting at the seams. So I'm going to do a quick patch and let my daughter save up some money for the proper repair. Okay, let's look at it. So this is the underside. This is what I'm going to be repairing right here. Everything that you see in that frame. It's a little bit thicker over here and then thins out over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I have a drill with a wire brush attachment on it, and I'm just going to wire brush that and get it down to bare metal as good as I can. I only want this to last through the winter so she has time to save, and I think this patch will give her that time to save and quiet it down in the meantime. So let's get at it. Okay, how I'm going to repair this is with Thermosteel by Quiksteel, and I got this at AutoZone for just under $10 with tax and everything. So see, it's shaking because it's on a rubber mount, so that's good. Thought something was loose. So it's not. It's actually a thin line. I thought it was going to be a little worse once I got into it, but actually it looks pretty good. Just a thin line. I just pushed the putty up in there, smear it over the top, and maybe curl it up over this top ridge to let it grab onto something. I'm really worried about letting it grab onto something so it stays on there. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna open this up, and it's just a paste. Here we go. Pop this open. We'll take a look at what this is. Put this over here. And so this is sort of liquidy. I'm gonna tilt this down a little bit because I don't want to. This is liquid, so we'll definitely have to mix it together. So I'm sure there's a paste on the bottom, and the liquid's on top. And once that gets mixed up, then it'll start. I'm sure it'll start curing. So we have to work fast. So let me go get my screwdriver, and I'll be back. All right, got my blue gloves on. We're gonna go ahead and mix this. Yeah, there's definitely a paste on the bottom I can feel. So there we go. Now we're just going to apply that. I'm going to start with the heavier section here. Push that right in there. That goes right in there. Stays in there, it's not dripping. And there you go. 2014 Equinox that had a muffler exhaust leak now has a patch on it, and we will see how long it lasts. I will pin a comment to the top as soon as it starts leaking again, and we'll look at the calendar and see how long this patch lasted. So now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the temperature up here in the garage. I think it's high 20s, mid 30s, something like that outside. So I'm going to bring it up into the 60 degree area, 70 degree area in the garage here, and let that cure. And we're going to go have lunch. By the time lunch is over, she'll be able to start the car up. It'll be cured and she'll be out the door. So I'll show you just before she leaves. I'll give you a shot of what it looks like cured, and I'll touch it and make sure it's at least gotten hard, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, and make a comment. So once the my comment's pinned, you'll be notified that there's more comments on this video, and then you'll actually know how long the repair lasted. Okay, I'm expecting hopefully 4 to 6 months, and it's going through the winter, so we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.